Hello guys. So I apologize about the delay. I had like 2 hours plus of content videos that I lost. So you have to forgive me for a little bit of delay. My goal is to have chapters 14, 15, and 16 up as a result of us not being in class last week, up and ready. Make sure that you take quiz 1, which is chapters 7 and 8. And make sure that you look out for my announcement that posts chapters 14, 15, and 16 as far as the videos are concerned. One thing that you do need to be mindful of upcoming in week 3, because that's the week that we're currently in. Week 3 calls for an article submission. All right, so you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to see this article basically, or see that assignment rather. Basically, you could pick a peer-reviewed journal article on all the chapters that we reviewed in this folder: 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, and 16. It could be about anything. The summary is 1 page. These are the links that I want you to use in terms of reference and citation. This is also a very helpful link to make sure that you are on task with what you are writing. Make sure also that you are not plagiarizing, meaning don't pull anything off the internet that you can't give credit for, because FYI, if it's plagiarized, it's a 0. Okay, and I am not open for discussion because it is in your syllabus about plagiarism. So just make sure that you're just typing it up and submitting. I will have your first test ready by Thursday, and because I know everybody's still trying to get settled into their classes, the due date for this test will probably go through Labor Day weekend. As far as I know, we're still, for those who are face-to-face, as far as I know, we're still doing face-to-face. No one has said anything about Labor Day. But if there is a federal holiday where there's nobody working, then I will let you know. But overall, just make sure that you complete the information about the syllabus, not the syllabus, excuse me, about the article submission. Also, while I can't see it on my end because I am the instructor, everybody has been assigned to a group, okay? It should be about 10 groups. It'll say at the very bottom in this section here, right in this section, it'll basically, once you scroll all the way down, it'll say semester project number, and the number would be number 1, number 7, number 10, plus either an injury related to sport or a medical condition related to a sport. So, where am I? I'm trying to find it. Where's my users and groups? There it is. All right. So this is your semester project. Okay. As I said, it's going to look a little different for you. It should be at the bottom. Okay, but these are indicators of how you're going to do your semester project. All right, so everybody will be required to present through Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, and it should be in the form of a PowerPoint presentation. All right, and we're going to start doing presentations on that as of November 2nd, and we're going to move through the class, move through the groups. One thing I do want you to be mindful of this semester project, go ahead and take a look at your groups and see who's in what group. Reach out to them, email them. If at any given point no one's giving you feedback and no one is responding, you need to let me know as soon as possible, like ASAP. Like if they haven't been responding to you and you've been emailing them constantly every other day and they're not responding, you need to let me know. That way I will give them a 0. Point blank, period. Okay, so it's very important that to get a grade that everybody participates in this project. Okay, so go ahead, reach out to your group members now. As you can see, each of them have a different injury or what's going on. So yeah, if you have any questions for me, just message me through the Remind app or email me. I will say that I am kind of slow and responsive of emails. I promise it's not because of you, it's because I'm getting so many, not from you, but just in general, getting a lot of emails. So message me through the Remind app. I've noticed that now we have 34 students or 35 students in the class, and there's only 27 that signed up for the Remind app. Please sign up for the Remind app. I cannot stress that enough. That way you can get in touch with me quickly. And yeah, so watch out for the rest of the day for additional videos to cover chapters 14, 15, and 16. Yeah, because I lost those. I'm a little salty about that, but it's all right. So like I said, if you got questions, let me know. Chat soon.